Yeah, hello and welcome to Wimpole Street Dental Clinic. My name is Christian Mill, and in the following small presentation we would like to show you one of our cases of the month here made in our clinic. So thank you very much for watching and we hope you enjoy the video. Yeah, hello and welcome back to Case of the Month in March 2018. It's a very small case. Thanks again to the Master Dental Technician Maria Pongratz for her wonderful work. And yeah, let's go. It is a presentation about how we replace side teeth, like premolars or molars, with Maryland bridges without the conventional preparation or implant placement. That's the initial situation. You can see excessive use of the remaining dentition. Of course, we filled the wedge-shaped defects at a later stage, but the main wish of that lady was to have the upper left first premolar restored, and she didn't want to have any conventional preparation and or implant placement or removable denture. So the only remaining option then is a Maryland bridge made from zirconium dioxide. That's the initial situation. From the occlusal point of view, you can see a small occlusal distal filling, which we removed entirely. Before we started, of course, we took the color to have the teeth not being dried out, and then prepared the tooth. You can see here the palatal view, prepared a tiny bit around the palatal side to make sure we have enough enamel for bonding. And then took an impression, in this case still a conventional impression, and produced the Maryland bridge, completely and entirely made of zirconium dioxide with the exception of the veneering of the tooth 2-4, and then place the bridge under rubber dam. That means etching the tooth and then using a D-primer 2, and the zirconium dioxide just air abrading or sandblasting with aluminum oxide at 2 bars or 0.2 megapascal, not more. And then placing the bridge with Panavia and applying OxyGuard and waiting 7 minutes. And that's the final situation after placement of the bridge and filling of the wedge-shaped defects. The color could have been a little bit more lively, but it was on one of our first tries. And the patient was happy, so a completely okay replacement of that situation. Yeah, that's the occlusion view. You can see we had to adjust the occlusion, static and dynamic occlusion, a little bit, and polish it properly. But the patient was happy with it, and we were happy with it as well. And it's very likely that this restoration will last the patient a very long time. Yeah, thank you very much for watching, and yeah, enjoy your Maryland bridge preparation.